Hari Om. I'm Gandhar Mandlik, representing a yoga organization called Yoga Vidya Gurukul. And I'm also a PhD student in Faculty of Medicine at the University of Sydney in Australia. The COVID-19 outbreak, pandemic all over the world, everyone is trying to find some solutions. Recently, a Canada-based company called Sanotize brought a nasal spray of nitric oxide in the market. A clinical trial in United Kingdom indicated that this nitric oxide nasal spray is very effective in getting rid of the virus from the nasal passage. Within 24 hours of the application of this spray, the virus goes down by 95%, and in 72 hours, the virus has shown to reduce by 99%. Now, this nitric oxide is produced by our body also. It's produced in the nasal passage, it's produced in the inner lining of our blood vessels. It has a role as antiviral, and also it plays a significant role in dilation of our blood vessels. It connects with the circulatory system and heart health. But more importantly, the role of nitric oxide in this COVID pandemic is interesting and important considering the clinical trial. Another study has also pointed out that if you are given nitric oxide, then it works in mild COVID infection or moderate or severe infection, where it reduces the severity, it improves the healing time, and also even if people are on ventilator, the nitric oxide is shown to improve the condition of the patient. Now, some other studies in the past have indicated that if we create humming sound, such as the sound of Brahmari, where you just create a humming sound, or the chanting of Om, even one sound can produce nitric oxide, which is 10 to 15 times more than the normal nitric oxide production in the nasal passage. Now, this is a very encouraging correlation. One study saying that the nitric oxide is very helpful in reducing the viral load, and the other study saying that the humming sound can produce nitric oxide. Of course, there is no clinical trial or there is no research yet on the direct application of Brahmari or Omkar on COVID, but we can still correlate these two. Now, this nitric oxide that is produced by humming doesn't remain for very long. So, some other studies have pointed out, say 4 or 5 times or 6 times chanting of or creating that humming sound in the day to get rid of these bacteria and viruses. Now, it's up to all of us to give it a try till a definitive evidence comes out of the clinical trials. So, the suggestion is 10 to 15 minutes of Brahmari Pranayam, like humming sound, or Omkar in a day, and we certainly can assume that yes, it will create nitric oxide. So, we all can try it. It's easy, doesn't involve any negative side effects. In fact, even if this nitric oxide theory that I have been discussing with you is not true, even if we assume that it's not true, the effects of Omkar and Brahmari Pranayam as anti-stress techniques is very well known. So even if you chant it 4 times, 5 times, it's certainly going to reduce the stress, and that's going to have a positive effect on our mind. And if the stress is not there, or if the stress is decreased, then immune system function certainly improves. This is well known. So I think there is no harm in trying out this wonderful positive techniques from yoga. Wish you all the best. Stay safe. Hari Om.